You have a bird? Who said that? For how long? And you still have it? You checked? Someone check his math. Where did 3 years come from? All right. I've had my bird for 3 years and a pandemic. Like the canary that you send into the mines. We're good. We're still good. I think I lost my sense of smell and taste. The bird is like, well, okay, you're good, you're fine. Why did you get a bird? Oh, worst reason to do anything. Yeah, I guess. Skeptical guy. I guess you were 14 at some point. I wasn't here. I don't have the proof. Good decision, or now you just stuck with this fucking thing? Yeah, you're just stuck with it, dude. What are you gonna do? Teach it to play fetch and shit? You think if you had a heart attack tomorrow, that bird would be like, oh no! Oh no, I'm so sad! The guy who gave me newspaper is dying! Oh no! That bird doesn't give a fuck about you, bud. But you know that. Does it do anything fun? Does it fucking... Of course it doesn't do anything fun! Are you doing both of our jobs? Man, you gotta get a bird, dude. Okay. Name me the 3 things. Sell me on a bird in 3 moves. Okay. Super colorful. I know you like colorful things. It has a beak. And you can put it in your mouth. You ever put your Doberman in your mouth? No? Dude, walking into the pet store and be like, hey. No, I was looking at the snakes. Could I put a snake in my mouth? No? Wouldn't advise it? Okay. What's that, a cat? You ever put a cat in your mouth? Your barrier of entry for having a pet. Now, this female dog, she'll have a litter of puppies at some point. Great. Now, are those, would I be able to?